Hello, my dear long-term investors. This is your boy Bowie, and let's get into the hot news in market. And Nifty closed 70 points up at 21,910. So this is a news about Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries is in discussion to buy a 29.8% stake in Tata Play. So that's interesting. So its strategy is to deepen its footprint in television distribution business. Tata Play is a non-listed company of Tata Sons, and it is valued at around 1 billion. So, a year back, Tata was in the plan to launch IPO of Tata Play. We are expected that Tata Play will be the coming IPO, but all of the sudden they um, put off the decision and postponed, and Tata Technologies came the IPO from Tata after more than 2 decades, I think so. So let's get into this topic. If Reliance acquire the 29.8% stake, we can say that Jio Cinema's content will be available to Tata Play users. Tata Play's financial year 22 revenue is 4,741 crore, and it posted a profit of 68 crore, and its financial year 23 recent revenue is 4,499 crore, but it filed a loss of 405 crores. Sorry, I forgot to tell the main thing, but this accusation is going through the accusation of Disney. Reliance is considering to acquire Disney's majority stake, so that uh, through the tranche they can acquire Tata Play's stake too. Disney India is valued at 3.9 billion roughly, and Reliance might acquire 51% stake. It's a majority stake. If it acquires 51%, it will become a subsidiary of Reliance Industries, and the memorandum of understanding was signed between Disney and Reliance Industries, and Reliance Industry will hold a 40% stake, and the 51 will be at the hands of Ambani bro, and the the rest of the stake will be under a venture capital Bodhi Tree. And let's get into the news of Paytm. ED said we are going to start the preliminary inquiry about foreign exchange under the Foreign Exchange Management Act. So they are thinking that in this case of Paytm, they might launder the money to abroad, I think. So they are also going to get probe about the RBI's allegations, which are all like attesting the PAN card information of one user to more than 1,000 users, and many frauds. I don't know how much snakes are come from this ditch. And one more interesting and a hot company is that Swiggy. Swiggy plans to file its draft red herring prospectus, which is the company says all in this prospectus you can see what are all into the company and what are all the company doing, and why should you consider and why shouldn't you consider this company. Every information will be in a draft red herring prospectus, so it's going to be published in coming 2 weeks. So Swiggy is considering to value it as a 11 billion firm, but the major investor in Swiggy is Invesco, which recently marked down its valuation to 5.5 billion, and also recently it marked up its valuation to 8.3 billion. And Swiggy's financial year 23 bottom line, which is a loss is 4,179 crore, which is not worth to invest in any company which is not making profit. So to enhance its profitability, Swiggy is considering to lay off 6% of its workforce. Currently, there are more than 6,000 employees are working in Swiggy. And one more thing is, about I have to say about Jana Small Finance Bank, which gave a debut in Wednesday in Valentine's Day. So it slid to 11.1% and came to 414 rupees. Today it trading at 428. Its book value is 312, and its Price to book is 1.37, slightly overvalued, but I don't know anything about this company. It's up to you, and it's something like the first small finance bank in India, but Manappuram has its own subsidiary called Ashirwad. It's India's largest small finance bank, and Manappuram also considering to launch IPO of Ashirwad, so we can look at it. And that's today's video. I hope it will be entertaining and informative to you. And thanks for watching till end. Don't forget to like, share,